Hello boys and girls, welcome again at Kakamoyen. In this video, we will read together Spot Bakes a Cake by Eric Hill. It's your dad's birthday on Friday, Spot. Let's bake a cake. It's gonna be fun. We have to go shopping. Spot, let's check the cupboard. Wow, we need some cheese, says the mouse. Okay, let's go shopping.
Let's go!
Okay. I think we already buy so many things, but can you find a bar of chocolate, Spot?
Okay.
Yes, this is the bar of chocolate. Dad loves chocolate cake. Let's make one for Dad. Now, Mom will help us make the cake. We can make the cake together with all of these ingredients that we buy from the shops. Wow, Spot, you already started. Ooh, looks fun, isn't it? Spot, that's enough, says Mom. Ooh, oh no, it's a messy table. Wee, they're having fun. They're having fun making the cake for Dad. Now, the cake is in the oven. Help me clean up, Spot. Will you clean up, Spot? Yay, she's helping clean up the table for Mom. Yes, and after that, after clean up, Spot and Mom will bake the cake inside the, what is this? Oven. Wow. Yes. And it's ready now, but it doesn't look good, yeah? It needs to be decorated. Now, Spot, what are you doing? Are you decorating? Yes, wow, it's so beautiful. This is the best part, to decorate the cake. Now it looks awesome. And this will be a nice surprise for your dad, Spot. What did Spot do? Yes, he make a card for surprise for Dad. Now the cake is ready. Happy birthday, Dad! Happy birthday, Sam! Wow! It's a beautiful cake made by Spot. It's very fun, isn't it? Did you make the cake, Spot? It's lovely. Thank you, Dad. Mom helped a bit. Okay, that's the end of the book. See you later again in the next video. Goodbye. Boys and girls, if you like the video, please hit the like and subscribe button to make sure I can make more books video for you. Bye-bye.